Have an offer form, a residential real estate contract, whatever is sufficient for doing business in your state. I cannot tell you how many hundreds of times I've called a for sale by owner on Zillow or Craigslist or just off a yard sign and called them up and asked them a few questions about their property, asked them how they were going to be doing business with their buyers or their buyers agents and such. And they didn't have an offer form ready to do the business of contracting the sale for their property. If you, homeowner of the information age, are interested in selling your property, a contract for sale is really pretty simple. Keep it simple. State issued documentation is designed to protect more the agents and agencies than they are the consumer, quite frankly. And a typical offer form only consists of 5 elements. A contract for real estate sale is really only 5 elements. A date that you're initiating this agreement, names of the parties that are involved in the transaction, address or identity of the property being contracted, price, and signatures. That's it. KISS. Keep it simple, silly. But again, we've provided you with a general real estate contract that is entirely sufficient. But while putting together your due diligence folder with all of the material emblems of representing your property, start with the end in mind. Have whatever it is that you need to be comfortable with and confident in. Read through it before you ever go about the process of having somebody fill in the blanks. Now, whether you have a real estate attorney draft you something specific or get one from your local title or an escrow company, which you can do, you can get an offer form from Office Depot or Staples, or download one from LegalZoom or Rocket Lawyer. Do whatever you need to do to have the instrument of achieving your objective. An offer form is critical. When somebody declares an interest in your property, you may not even be proactively or even reactively interested, but when a buyer, a prospect asks you, hey, would you sell your house? Be prepared to hand them a form. Don't negotiate verbally. It's only worth what it's written on. Okay. And negotiating verbally can have very negative and dramatic repercussions. But hand them a form. Say, hey, listen, I'm always interested in entertaining offers, and just fill in the blanks, and we'd be honored to receive your offer and we'd consider it. And it's really that simple. But have the tool to conduct the business. And that's it for this lesson. See you in the next one.